Native bees, they're completely different because all their structures in the hive are actually built out of propolis, whereas honeybees, it's mainly just pure wax, the honeycombs, root combs and that, whereas with the native bees, their brood structures, their honey pots, pollen pots, their ventilation system, everything is built out of propolis. So they then have a much wider application for it and a much wider need of the different types of resins and plant saps and bud oils and things that they collect to perform those functions. Research has shown that the wider the diversity that they're exposed to, the wider diversity they would also collect and use. So that's why we like to put our hives in native forests where they have that wide sort of supply of resins available to them. So it's a very different product. Honeybee propolis is typically sort of golden, dark golden yellow kind of color in natural in the hive, whereas native bee propolis is a dark, thick kind of product. So for me it was quite important to realize that lighter colored honey has got a lower bioactivity level than dark honey, and a lot of research has shown that. So we think there's a similarity here as well between the lighter sort of honeybee propolis versus the dark native bee propolis. So we did a lot of testing on that, and the lab results have shown that native bee propolis have approximately double the amount of total phenolics or total bioactivity, if you want to call it that, than compared to honeybee propolis per gram of raw propolis. So yeah, it's a very different product. We've developed a special process in which we harvest a little bit of the propolis once or twice a year. We don't enter the hive at all. It's a separate structure that we've developed, and in the process of patenting it, where it's non-intrusive completely, and where we do then collect a bit of propolis and make our extracts from that.